Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today is 18th August 2021, and this vlog's agenda is to go to the Big Wing Honda Big Wing showroom, not showroom actually, Honda Big Wing service center in Siliguri, and get the base plate and the saddle stays for my Honda CB350 Highness fixed over there. So let's go on with the vlog and meet you on the bike. Bye. So I just got my bike out of the garage, and so let's start our journey. So right now we are at Salwari market. So, and this is on the Hillcut road. If you take left from Darjeeling More in Siliguri while coming from Bagdogra, you will get this, and you have to take this road also to go to Darjeeling and all. So you will find it's a very common place, and today is Haat means the market. So today the vegetable markets are all over here, so there's a lot of crowd and traffic today. So these people don't even look behind if there's any bike or car coming in or not. They don't also wear helmets. Like, so irresponsible they can be with their lives and with the lives of the others. I don't understand why. I know it's hot, but still life matters, don't you think so? Well, today the weather is sunny. Actually, not today. From the afternoon it became sunny, because last night it was raining like cats and dogs, and even in the morning it was raining a lot. But now in the afternoon the sun god has shown his face. It's one of the reasons that I decided to go to the Big Wing service center today, because it had been raining, like for the past couple of days it had been raining a lot, so I was not able to go to the service center. But today, for right now, it's quite clear over there. The sky is clear, so I thought today is a good day to go there. So the service center is beside City Plaza in Sevok Road, Siliguri. It's just behind the Kason's Honda showroom over there, and it's about 8 to 9 kilometers from my place. When I checked Google, it showed around 20 minutes to reach there. Well, let's see how much time it takes. So Darjeeling More is one of the important junctions to the city of Siliguri. Like if you come from Bagdogra out of the state, you will have to go through Darjeeling More only. So it's a very busy and a important junction. यानी आ जाओ आ जाओ। This is the traffic system over here. For few people, the whole community gets blamed, and by community I mean the driver community, whether it's on a bike or on a car. For few people, yeah. Why did I stumble? Oh, sorry, fumble. What's happening? uh, Cows on the road go moo 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 moo. Cows on the road go moo moo moo. The traffic comes to a halt. Yeah. Even actually the cows, they shit. These ditches. अरे यार गड्ढे इतने होते हैं ना मैन, व्हाट टू से मैन, so many potholes. Green light, green light, green light. So here's Keson's Honda in Siliguri. Here, we'll go from here. My God. This is a water crossing of one sort, going again underwater. Slowly. As you can see, in front of me is the Honda showroom. Not showroom, actually, Honda Big Wing Service Center. So I had already called beforehand only to check whether they have the base plate and the saddle stays or not. So I confirmed that they have it, and so we'll get it fixed. So right now I just left the service center. They fixed the base plate and the saddle stay on my CB350 Highness. So earlier I couldn't record at the showroom, sorry, service center, because recording is not allowed over there. It actually took an hour over there. Other bikes were over there getting serviced also, so yeah, but it's okay. The servicing was good, like they did what they had to and what I expected them to. The quality and the hospitality over there was nice. Too sunny. Hi guys, I'm just back at my place and I wanted to show you how the saddle stays and the bash plate or the base plate on my bike look like. So here they are. So guys, as you have seen, the base plate and the saddle stays look good, and their prices are: cost of the base plate was 1522 rupees, cost of the saddle stays was 549 rupees, the labor charges was of 110 rupees. So the total amount without GST came to 2181 rupees, and the total amount with GST was 2781 rupees. So if you like the video, if you like the vlog, please give it a like, and if you have any suggestions, any comments, you can write it down on the comments. So for now, ciao, bye bye, see ya, thank you for watching, bye.